Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney. As you can see from the title, today I am showing you the new items that I picked up from Revolve. I grabbed a really great mix of loungewear, some going out items, some basics, just really good items. Of course, I will have the links to every item that I'm talking about today linked in the description in the order that I show them. And I've included the sizes that I picked up in each item, and below all of the links I have my personal sizing information, measurements, and all that. So if you do want to use it for size reference, that is all down there. And another thing that is down there is that subscribe button. So if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle, fashion, mindset, and a lot of just fun content over here. I'll also have my Instagram and my TikTok linked in the description if you want to check those out. And I'm going to be linking my Revolve favorites wish list, so it includes so many more items that I'm not showing you guys today, just more things that I'm absolutely loving on Revolve. So if you want to do some shopping and check those items out, I will have that wish list in the description. And one more thing before we get into this haul, I have to talk about this skincare that I've been using recently, and I'm so in love with this, guys. If you've been around on my channel for a while, you probably already know that I absolutely love e.l.f. and especially their skincare line. So I just got this set. It is a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer from their Pure Skin line. These are dermatologist developed, and they're made with oat milk. They are fragrance-free, vegan, cruelty-free, no sulfates, parabens, none of that. I love how clean e.l.f. skincare is, especially because I have very sensitive skin on my face, so I'm always really nervous to try new products, and I have to tell you guys, I am so in love with these. Even for people like me who have sensitive skin, I'm really prone to redness or breaking out when I try new products, and I have not had any problems with these. I actually love them so much. The cleanser and the moisturizer especially are so silky and buttery, and they're thicker than some of the other moisturizers and cleansers that I've used, but I absolutely love that. They just feel really rich and moisturizing and leave my skin feeling so fresh. You guys know this, but I never promote any products that I'm not absolutely obsessed with, especially when it comes to skincare, so no messing around on these. This is such a good line. I've been obsessed and using e.l.f. for so many years. They're clean, cruelty-free, affordable. They're literally like my everything. So if you haven't tried out e.l.f. skincare, I would so grab some of these Pure Skin items. These are my new favorites. I would totally recommend. So of course I will be linking these skincare products below, the cleanser, moisturizer, and toner. So check them out. Thank you to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. If you guys do want a full skincare or makeup routine anytime soon, drop me a comment and let me know, and I can show you how I use these products and so many more. But I had to jump in and just share with you guys that I found such an amazing and affordable new skincare set that I'm not breaking out from, which is amazing. It is sensitive, skin tested on me, and I absolutely love them. Okay, let's get into this Revolve favorites try on haul. So many good pieces, and of course we're going to start off with the loungewear set that I'm wearing. This is so good. This set really gives me like the that girl aesthetic vibes. If you guys have seen like the whole that girl trend on TikTok especially, this sweat set is what comes to mind when I think of that girl, layering it with some gold jewelry, little gold hoops, slick back hair. I just feel like I'm living my best that girl life when I wear this sweat set. But anyway, it's like a mauve-y color. It's kind of a blush pink, but it's a deep blush pink. I really like it because it's a muted color. While it's still like a color, it's obviously not a neutral. It's not super vibrant, and I am a girl who loves the neutrals, so when I do add color into my wardrobe, I like it to be muted tones like this. So I think the color is absolutely stunning. It's a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm totally loving it. This set is from the brand 637. The material of this set is really nice and thick, and the sweatpants are the absolute perfect fit. They're high-waisted with an elastic waistband that also has a drawstring, so they are adjustable. They have big pockets in the front, and they're so flattering. They suck in my waist really well while also being like the perfect flattering booty sweatpant. I love them. I could not ask for a better fitting sweatpant. This set is not fleece lined, but it is a very, very thick material, and I actually really love this. I'm typically a girl who likes fleece lined sweats, but I also like having a few in my wardrobe like this that are not fleece lined, and this one is such good quality that I know it's going to be a basic sweat set that I keep around for years and years until I have worn it out. I have already worn this so many times and I just got this package, but it makes me feel put together when I'm wearing a sweat set like this. I got my little jewelry on, my hair back. I love the vibe of it. The quality is amazing. I grabbed the sweatshirt in an extra small/small and the joggers in a size small. They both fit perfectly true to size. Such a high quality set. It looks so cute and I would definitely recommend. While we're talking about the comfy sets, I grabbed one more little matching lounge set. This one is a cropped tee and a matching pair of shorts. First off, this material is probably one of the softest things I have ever experienced. I am in love. Not only is it soft, it's also very, very thick, which makes it just so much better. Like, it feels so high quality, so cozy. This is like the ideal lounging material in my opinion. I love a little shorts and tee set when we're going into the spring. This is the kind of thing that I wear around my apartment on the daily, and I just think it is so cute. It's a knit material. It just feels amazing. It feels like thick and buttery. I'm obsessed. One thing I loved about this is you could grab the pieces individually, so I did get the shorts in a size small and the top in an extra small. I personally love when you can buy sets like individual pieces so that I can get different sizes in the top and bottom, and I think it worked out perfectly. Both were very true to size, fit exactly how I expected. They look super cute, very flattering and soft. Literally like one of the best lounge sets. I can't wait until it gets just a little bit warmer so I can start wearing this like every day. It's such a pretty color, so cozy, very flattering. I could not ask for more. Next thing I picked up from Revolve is this stunning dress. This is from the brand Super Down, and this gives me all of the vacation, spring break vibes. I am so excited about this. So it is a long black maxi dress with cutouts around the waist area that just make this dress so flattering. I'm obsessed. It also has a slit, which I love. Another feature that I just think makes pieces like this more flattering and just so trendy and cute. So this is a bandeau style dress. It does have that rubber on the inside, so it's like the non-slip stuff on the top, which I love. It stays in place so well. It's not a dress that you have to keep pulling the top up. The material feels nice. It is all double lined, really thick, good quality, not sheer at all. I picked it up in an extra small, and I would say it fits very true to size. It was absolutely perfect. You really cannot go wrong with a classic black dress. This can be worn for so many different occasions, can be dressed up or down a little bit, and I love pieces like this in my wardrobe that are classic and simple, especially all black, but this one is just a little more fun with the cutouts, a little bit different than any of the other pieces that I own. I overall just thought this one was super flattering. The quality is nice. It is such a vacation-y dress to me, so I cannot wait to take this on vacation. Next item I grabbed are a pair of jeans. These are a simple little straight leg jean. They do not have any rips, which I personally love. A denim with no rips. They have a raw hem, which is also my absolute favorite. They are high-waisted and from the brand Super Down. So first off, I did size up in these. I read some reviews and the sizing chart and decided to size up 2 sizes. So I'm typically a 24. Sometimes I'll go for a 25 if I do want my jeans to have a little extra room, but I grabbed these ones in a 26. That worked so well for me though. I think this was the absolute perfect fit. I'm so glad I went 2 sizes up from my normal size. They are a comfy fit. straight leg jean. They're so cute and such a nice high quality denim. They are on the thicker side for a denim, so they feel really nice. These are the kind of jeans that I would wear out on a night out, like maybe out to dinner, something like that. I think they are just a very classic and sleek pair, especially having no rips. I really, really love that for a night out look. They are a light to medium wash. I think they're a really pretty denim color too. They're not too bright, vibrant of a blue. So overall, I think these are amazing. The quality feels great. Just make sure to size up one size or two sizes if you do want them a little more of a comfy fit like I did. Next item, I picked up this really fun top that looks totally crazy when it is not on. But this one is also from the brand Super Down. And I'll skip to the try on so you can see what this looks like. It is a bodysuit that has one sleeve and it kind of wraps around your neck and gives such a cool look that I have just never seen a top like this before. So I thought it was way too fun. I absolutely had to. I also love that it is a bodysuit. I think that is just so classic, and I've really been into bodysuits lately for whatever reason. This one does have snaps at the bottom of the bodysuit, and it is a cheeky thong style, so you're not going to get any underwear lines. You can snap it. You don't have to take it all the way off. We love that. So checks all the boxes for what I like in bodysuits. But I just thought this style, this asymmetric look was so cool. Very trendy while still being minimalistic since it is an all-white bodysuit. It's classic, it's really easy to style, and looks super sleek, but it's also different and fun. So I absolutely love this. I picked this one up in an extra small and the fit was perfect. It is a lightweight material, but I just wore like a normal nude strapless bra and it was not see-through at all. It looked super great. So 10 out of 10, I think this is a very fun piece. I grabbed another little black dress. This one is so cute. Okay, this one is a mini dress and it has big puff sleeves. It has a really pretty neckline as well. And this one is from the brand More to Come. First off with this dress, I am absolutely in love with the material of this one. It is very thick. It is double lined, but it is so stretchy and buttery soft. Like, this is one of the most comfortable dresses that I have, honestly, and I did not expect this material to just be so amazing. It is so comfy, but it still looks really nice and sleek. I love it so much. Like, it feels so comfy for a mini dress. I don't even know how. I'm also just obsessed with the big puff, like, balloon sleeve look. It also sucks my waist in, like, perfectly. It is so flattering. Nothing bad to say about this. I'm actually obsessed. I picked this one up in an extra small as well, and the fit was perfect. Exactly what I expected. I just can't get over how soft and stretchy this material is, and it's also like really thick. This is also a dress that I feel like I could have a lot of fun with dressing down with like a big pair of chunky boots and a fun bag, but of course could also be dressed up. So I just love a dress that could do a lot of different things, and this is definitely one of those. Next item is another little bodysuit. This one is a nude tan color and it is a halter bodysuit. This one is from the brand Super Down and the material is a really nice and thick ribbed knit material. It is all double lined and super stretchy, thick. Like, love how this feels. I love a simple nude tan toned bodysuit. I think this is so sleek, and again, just one of those basic pieces that could be styled in so many ways, is going to be a staple in your wardrobe and a piece that you'll have for so long. This is literally amazing. I love this way too much. Okay, I grabbed this one in an extra small and it also fit perfectly. And this bodysuit also has snaps at the bottom. It is thong style, so no underwear lines. We love that. And I think a little halter style is very fun. Different than my other bodysuits while also being a classic style. Just simply love this. I think this would be an amazing piece in like everybody's wardrobe. You can't go wrong. It can be styled so many different ways. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this piece. Like, I just love it so much. This is probably one of my favorites of the whole haul. I cannot get over how nice it feels, and I just know it's going to be one of those pieces that I wear all the time. I grabbed one more mini dress in this haul. This one is such a fun pink color. It is a long sleeve dress with some cutouts. This one is also from the brand Super Down. I thought this dress was so fun, especially with Valentine's Day coming up, but I also think long sleeve dresses are really easy to dress down. This one would look adorable with a pair of big, chunky, tall, like white boots, a white bag maybe for Valentine's Day, or of course dressed up with a little pair of heels. There's definitely a lot you could do with this, and a pop of pink is just my favorite thing right now. It is definitely going to be a huge trend in the spring to pop pink, especially like these lighter pink tones. So I'm really grabbing anything I can right now that is pink. But the material of this one is also so good. It is a ribbed knit material, very soft, very stretchy and thick. 10 out of 10 on the material. The dress is double lined all around, so the thickness is amazing. It's not sheer at all, and it fits so well. I love the cutout moment. It is definitely different than any of my other dresses. I love this one. The quality feels great, and it is just a fun little mini dress. Then I grabbed another little tank from Super Down. This one is a high neck cropped tank with a little asymmetric cutout moment in the front. This one I also grabbed in an extra small, and I got quite a few pieces from the brand Super Down in this Revolve haul, but for whatever reason, this one definitely fit much larger than any of the other extra smalls that I picked up. It honestly fit more like a medium. It was very loose in certain areas, and the material is super stretchy, so it's one of those pieces that I wish was really tight. Since the material is stretchy and thick, it would look really nice to be like skin tight, but this one just ran really big in my opinion, so I would definitely recommend sizing down on this one, especially since it has a lot of stretch. I think you could easily size down 2 sizes in this one if you do want that tighter fitting look that I was talking about. But I think the style of this one is so stunning. I love a cutout. I love an asymmetric look, especially on a top like this that is all black and sleek. The material is also amazing. It's so thick. It's a ribbed knit material. Quality feels amazing. 10 out of 10 on that. I would just recommend to definitely size down on this one for that tighter fit. Okay, the last item in this haul is the cutest pair of little pink heels. These are a tie heel, so there are so many ways that you can tie these. I just found this out on TikTok. There are like hundreds of ways you can tie a wrap heel like this. I used to just wrap them like all the way up my calves, and that is obviously super cute and such a statement shoe moment, but there are a lot of fun ways that you can wrap it, and especially like wrap it under when it's on your foot to get less of a tie moment and to make it a little bit shorter on the ankle. So I thought that was really fun that there are so many ways that you can tie these and get a lot of different looks out of a pair of heels. I've also been obsessed with wearing tie heels like this over a pair of straight leg or wide leg jeans and then tying the straps around the outside of the ankle so you're giving the pant like a balloon fit, if you know what I mean. Anyway, just a lot of ways that you can wear these heels. I absolutely love the color. Like I said, a pop of pink is just my new obsession, especially for spring. These are also a crocodile material, which I really love. The quality is amazing. And they also fit true to size. I grabbed them in a size 6. They were perfect. I think these are super fun and definitely like the perfect heel for the spring. Color, style, everything about these is amazing. Okay guys, that was everything that I picked out from Revolve. Again, don't forget to shop all these items using the links in the description. And if you want to see more of my Revolve favorites, I have linked my Revolve favorites list with so many more items. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment, all of the things, and that is it. So I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.